Well, friends, so far you have learned about drawing different types of charts and their applications. As you can see, drawing a chart in Excel is very easy. But after you add the chart, you may want to change some of its default elements to create an eye-catching chart. Up to this point, you have become familiar with some methods of editing and formatting charts. And in this part, we want to have a general summary. As we said, with different methods, we can edit the chart. Some ribbon tabs are hidden and activated only when we need them. There are two tabs called Chart Design and Format for editing and formatting charts, which are activated only when we click on the chart. If we click somewhere else, you will see that the chart will be deselected and these two tabs will be hidden again. We got fully acquainted with the tools of these tabs in the previous parts. The next method to edit the charts is to use the Chart Elements button, which shows us a checklist of all the elements that we can change or add to the chart. We got acquainted with this important part in the previous parts. But this button is Chart Styles, which allows us to quickly change our styles and colors. As you can see, by clicking this button, a window will open where we can easily change the style and color of our chart. This is the Chart Filters button that allows us to show or hide the data displayed in our chart. By clicking on this button, a window will be shown to us, which contains all the information of the chart, and from this part we can edit them. See, my friends, here if we click on the outermost part of the chart, the outer box will be selected, and if we click on the inner part of the chart, the inner box of the chart will be selected. Most of the time, we don't have anything to do with the inner box of the chart. And if we want to perform operations such as moving, copying, coloring the background, and etc., we have to select the outer box of the chart. Sometimes we may prefer to present our information in a different type of chart. In this case, we don't need to clear the chart and redraw it. To change the chart type, just select it. From the Chart Design tab, select the Change Chart option. From the Open window, select the desired chart and click OK. And now you will see that the chart type will change. Now, if we want to have a copy of this chart, we just need to right-click on it and select the Copy option. And paste it in this sheet or any other sheet. You should note that if you change the information inside the table, your chart will change wherever it is. In other words, the chart you draw is close to its source.